2009, Mokinyane would visit quite often.
Lobufakazi buka Angelo Agrizi abethula nyakenye yibona mbangela yokuthi uMokonyane azithole sebhekene ngqo noyiphini likaMengameli wamajaji kulelizwe uJustice Raymond Zondo. Zithe isuka nje uMokonyane wakhwela wazehlela kuAgrizi ngokumninda ngobende inyama engayidlanga.
I find them extremely defamatory. I find them full of contradictions by someone who has had ample time and opportunity afforded to him exclusively. I find that they smack of hatred. I find that they are very insensitive. I find that they seem to be an act of excessive desperation for the reasons that are better known by Mr. Agrizi to discredit me.
Ebuzwa ngokwashiwo nguAgrizi ukuthi nguyena siqu uMokonyane owayemukela indathane yezipho ezaziqhamuka kuGavin Watson, uMokonyane uthe lawo ngamanga alihlaza cwe.
I've never received anything as Mr. Agrizi is stating, and as it is reflected on my affidavit, this has not happened.
uMokonyane uthi alukho uxhaso alinikwa ibusasa ukuzangcwabe indodana yakhe uRitlabusa.
That is not correct. We are the ones who procured the services of the funeral undertaker. We paid for the burial of my son.
uMokonyane uthi kuyamxaka ukuthi kungane solwa ngokweseko wayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma ngoba lokhu kuyinto abenza kubona bonke omengameli abavela eqenjini elibusayo. uMokonyane uthi uAgrizi uyacwasa futhi ucwela inzondo enkulu, akahloniphi futhi ubabukela phansi abanye abantu. Uvumile ukuthi ibusasa yake yayiqhasa eminye yemicimbi yeANC. nguCalvin Dludla weindaba zeSABC.